Hello, hello. Healthiest porridge in the world. We're going to talk about today. It's getting to that time of year in England where it's, porridgey weather. We've been eating it kind of year round, not every morning. It's obviously a really good, healthy, nutritious start to the day. Oats are really good for you. You can get various types of milks, but sometimes it just doesn't do what I feel like it could do. My name's Toddy. I make daily videos profiling my life, ideas, things that I'm into, things that I'm looking into.